feel like it's a ghost town for real.
Say Bismillah and go in.
Bismillah.
We will see like 30 minutes later when the sun sets how she's gonna start screaming. We are headed off to Kayaköy, the ghost town of Town. This town was occupied before by the Greek and then it was abandoned, so now it's called a ghost town. Let's go! We've arrived here in Kayaköy. We're gonna share with you, but we honestly don't know where to go, where's the entrance. Stay tuned. We found the route. We are gonna go up. Over there. Let's check it out. You ready? Be careful with the ghosts, huh? Ready to go in?
Yeah, we're
Say Bismillah and go in.
Bismillah.
Say Bismillah encore.
Bismillah.
You feel like it's a ghost town for real, right? I don't know what the hell this is. Look. I don't understand how this is left like abandoned like this. It's weird. Because like you can tell this is real old Greek letters.
Let us take you into the mysterious streets of the ghost town.
Wow. Check out this view.
Then we decided to go for a hike and reach the highest hill.
You want to get up to the hill over there, right? Like over there. We've been walking for a while and we don't know how to get up. And I was suddenly thinking, what if we are, like once you get in here, you can't leave. You're stuck forever. I'm living in a movie. Okay. D'accord. We're stuck here forever, and now she's like being sarcastic, and we will see like 30 minutes later when the sun sets how she's gonna start screaming and yelling and dirlar. Okay. This here is like the city center of Kayakoy. Let it go, Ad. Oh my god. Agua. حصة cardio. This is really good. No wonder the Greeks had good calves, right? And good physique. Woo! Okay, we're almost dead, but we are almost at the top. You can look right here. Ah, this is the sea over there. Wow. Okay, let's go. We need to make it before sunset. Check out this view.